Agroecology of traditional date palm farms.
Diversity of crops is key to agroecology in traditional farming systems. And this is what we see here in this farm. This is fig, this is banana, there's also mango. And these date palms are actually different varieties of dates, not a single variety. That's why you see some of them are still fruiting, others have been harvested. So we explore some of these traditional systems here in Nizwa of Oman, and you see diversity of forage crops as well as fruit crops interplanted with date palm in date palm plantations.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like to support me.